In this video today, we will learn how to connect Amazon Fire TV stick to monitor, and for that, what type of cables do you require, and also we will check how can we connect USB speaker or Bluetooth speaker to the monitor, and because many monitor does not have a speaker inbuilt, and we will check that also. Let's start our video. So we need this HDMI to VGA. In some monitor there will not be a HDMI port, so we cannot connect that HDMI Fire TV stick to the monitor. So for that we need this HDMI to VGA converter. When there is a male HDMI, so we need this HDMI coupler for the Amazon Fire Stick. So these all thing we need. So what will we do first? We will plug our Amazon Fire TV stick to the plug, connect USB to power, then we will connect one VGA cable to the monitor. See, there is no HDMI. This right side one is a DP, so it is not possible that VGA other port to that converter. And now we will connect this socket, and then now we will connect to this Fire TV stick.
Amazing!
Connect this Fire TV stick to the connector. Now our Fire TV stick is ready to switch on. Here it is. We have switch on the monitor. See, Fire TV stick logo. Now our Fire TV stick is ready. So if you have a new Fire TV stick, so it will ask to connect. Initially you need some setup, and then when you will log in to your Amazon account, your Fire TV stick will be ready. So now your monitor will become a smart monitor. You can download any application, and you can use YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, and many others. And now we are playing a YouTube video, but there is no sound. So for that we have a solution. Now what will we do? First we will connect this wire USB speaker to the Amazon Fire TV stick. We will plug USB to the power, and then this 3.5 mm socket will connect to this converter. This is the audio output. See, you can hear sound from the speaker. So this is a very easy setup, and now you can enjoy music of your choice, or you can watch the movie. Now we will check how can we connect Bluetooth speaker. For that we will go to the setting. Wow! And then we come down to the remote and Bluetooth device. Now we will switch on our Bluetooth speaker. So our speaker is ready to pair, and then we will go to other Bluetooth devices, and then we will find our Bluetooth speaker name. In my case, Fingers Brownie 2 is my speaker name. So now our speaker is ready. It is connected. So now whatever you will play in Amazon Fire TV stick, you can hear sound from Bluetooth speaker. You can use any Bluetooth speaker with this device. If you have a sound bar, you can also connect that with this device, and you can enjoy music or movie. So here we can use our old monitor with Amazon Fire TV stick, and we can enjoy music, movie. If our family members are also watching a TV and we want to enjoy our music, then you can connect your Fire TV stick to the old monitor. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more update.